Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Step by Step English. This is day 2 of our English learning journey, and today we are going to practice 100 daily use English sentences. These sentences are very simple, very common, and super useful for daily conversations. If you want to improve your spoken English step by step, you're in the right place. Listen carefully, repeat the sentences, and try to use them in your daily life. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Step by Step English for daily English practice. Let's start learning. 1. I wake up early every morning. 2. She drinks a glass of water after waking up. 3. We go for a walk in the park. 4. He reads the newspaper daily. 5. They eat breakfast together. 6. I brush my teeth twice a day. 7. She likes to listen to music. 8. He goes to work by bus. 9. We start our class at 9 o'clock. 10. I carry my bag everywhere. 11. She speaks very politely. 12. He writes neatly in his notebook. 13. I try to learn new words every day. 14. We practice English in the evening. 15. They watch TV after dinner. 16. I feel happy today. 17. She helps her mother at home. 18. He plays cricket on weekends. 19. We clean our room together. 20. I drink coffee in the morning. 21. She prefers tea over coffee. 2. He checks his phone frequently. 23. I believe in hard work. 24. We respect our teachers. 25. They enjoy traveling a lot. 26. I feel tired after work. 27. She laughs at funny jokes. 28. He learns from his mistakes. 29. We wait for the bus patiently. 30. I keep my promises. 31. She cooks delicious food. 32. He drives very carefully. 33. I listen to podcasts while walking. 34. We plan our day in advance. 35. They support each other. 36. I open the window for fresh air. 37. She wears a blue dress today. 38. He fixes small problems himself. 39. We save money for the future. 40. I enjoy peaceful moments. 41. She studies hard for exams. 42. He respects everyone equally. 43. I check my emails daily. 44. We celebrate small achievements. 45. They work as a team. 46. I trust my instincts. 47. She smiles at strangers. 48. He follows a healthy routine. 49. We avoid unnecessary stress. 50. I stay calm in difficult situations. 51. She speaks English confidently. 52. He improves a little every day. 53. I learn from my experiences. 54. We focus on our goals. 55. They believe in positivity. 56. I wake up with motivation. 57. She completes her tasks on time. 58. He manages his time well. 59. We encourage each other. 60. I feel proud of my progress. 61. She practices pronunciation daily. 62. He asks questions without fear. 63. I make notes while studying. 64. We revise lessons regularly. 65. They never give up easily. 66. I speak slowly and clearly. 67. She enjoys learning new things. 68. He stays focused on work. 69. We learn something new every day. 70. I believe practice makes perfect. 71. She reads English sentences aloud. 72. He tries to improve his vocabulary. 73. I watch English videos online. 74. We repeat sentences for practice. 75. They correct their mistakes. 76. I feel more confident now. 77. She understands English better today. 78. He communicates more clearly. 79. We speak English without fear. 80. I enjoy this learning process. 81. She wants to speak fluently. 82. He works on his weaknesses. 83. I practice speaking in front of a mirror. 84. We stay consistent every day. 85. They aim for improvement. 86. I am happy with my effort. 87. She believes in herself. 88. He motivates others. 89. We are learning together. 90. I will continue practicing daily. 91. She dreams of speaking fluent English. 92. He never skips practice. 93. I enjoy learning English sentences. 94. We are improving step by step. 95. They stay dedicated to learning. 96. I feel more confident than yesterday. 97. She speaks with confidence now. 98. He is proud of his progress. 99. We are doing great. 100. I will do better tomorrow.